My name is Vernon Casper, and I've been at Carlson Tools since 2011. I started as a lead tool maker on the floor and have worked my way up into project management. I came to Carlson Tool because of the great opportunity that was here, company being a stable company, and the type of work they were doing, the work environment, the people, as being an experienced tool and die maker. The opportunity is fantastic here. If you're the type of person that would like to work on molds to do rebuilds, build new tools, your growth is endless, really. We're always changing to get to a higher technical ability here. The friendly work environment with the employees here. I've had the great opportunity of training younger apprentices to bring them up through the ranks and teach them what I know. The people I work with are fantastic. The owner is fantastic, and we just have challenges that will keep you very interested in what you're doing. You will not get bored working at Carlson Tool.